welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a dessert. It's a chocolate cheesecake. Now I've done a cheesecake on this channel before, but this one's chocolate and it's equally as delicious and it's chocolate. So what more needs to be said? Let's get started. All right, we're going to do the crust first. We're going to start with 1 cup of pitted dates. I'm going to put that in our food processor. A 1/2 cup of raisins. And 1.5 cups of raw unsalted almonds. And we're just going to pulse this in the food processor until it starts to stick together. You know, this is coming together, but it's a little dry yet. So I'm going to add a couple more dates until this really starts to come together. So I'm probably going to do 1.5 cups of dates instead of 1 cup. So in the notes in the description below, I will correct the recipe to reflect 1.5 cups of dates. That's better. Maybe it should say 2 cups of dates. Make some minor adjustments. And we'll say 2 cups of dates. I'm going to put this in the bottom of a springform pan. This is what it looks like when it's pulsed. So I'm just going to pour this into the bottom of my pan and use my hands to press it down. Now that's in there, it's even. And I'm going to do the filling next. Okay, we're back. We're ready to do the filling. We're going to use a blender for the filling. We're going to start with 4 cups of raw unsalted cashews, which I've let these soak overnight just to get them nice and soft. Put this in the blender. 2 cups of dates. These also have been soaked. 1 cup of cocoa powder. This is just your plain Hershey's cocoa powder. This is 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and 1.5 cups of water. And I'm just going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. All right, that looks better. So I'm just going to pour this over the crust and just kind of smooth it out, even it out. All right, this is 1 full pan here. That looks delicious. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 4 hours. It's going to serve 10 people or 2 people 5 times. In any event, it's really good. And just let it sit in your freezer for, like I said, 4 hours. And keep it in an airtight container in the freezer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.